How to remove Google account from YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how to remove your Google account from YouTube, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to remove our Google account from YouTube, so by default whenever you open the YouTube application, it's going to be logged into your Google account, right? And if you want to remove your Google account and just watch YouTube without signing into your account, in that case what you can do is, first of all, just tap on this little YouTube profile photo from the top right. At the top you'll find this option and you just want to tap on this drop down icon. When you tap on the drop down icon, if you look at the very bottom, you'll find the option called use YouTube signed out. So all you have to do is just tap on the use YouTube signed out button, and as you can see our Google account has been successfully removed. If I tap on it, it'll basically ask me to sign in back again, which means I can simply watch YouTube without signing into any of the Google account. And this is how you can remove Google account from YouTube. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you though, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.